Here we are on the Project Lucy account homepage, and down the right hand side we see some recent analyses. Let's go into the top one, workload trace.zip, and see if we can answer our question. So you'll see here the summary screen hasn't changed. However, if we go into workload, you'll see the new workload drill down, and in particular this section down here entitled Explore Your Workload. So let's see if we can answer the question. If we aggregate by application and just ask Project Lucy to display totals, and then sort by total CPU milliseconds, you'll see here that the most expensive application in terms of CPU is the SQL Server Management Studio. Question answered. Here we can add multi-level aggregation. So if we want to know what the most expensive user per application is, we can answer the same question simply by sorting by CPU, and we can see here the most expensive application and user combination is me, as it happens, running Management Studio with 331 seconds of CPU time. To remove an aggregation, we simply click on the red button, and Project Lucy will recalculate and display those things. If we want to look at SQL, we can simply aggregate by SQL, and we want to know the SQL statement that's doing the most reads. So here we see that SQL statement again pops to the top of the list. We can drill down on the SQL statement and have a look at its full text. We can download it to a file if we want to do some sort of tuning on it. And if we're looking for a statement in particular, we can perform a filter operation simply by typing into this text box here, and we're looking for everything with play in the name. And as you can see, the filtering of those statements happens real time. So let's remove the filter. The other thing that you can do with this data set is export it to a file. So click on the link down here, that data gets downloaded, and we can open that in Excel, and as you can see, there's our data set. So that is Project Lucy's Explore Your Workload feature.